Hello students, welcome to SEMA classes. I am Monica Gupta. Today I am going to continue with my chapter Crop Production and Management. This is my third video for this chapter. So till this video I taught you the topic irrigation. After irrigation, when you supply the water for your crops, you have to protect your crops from weeds and from pests and diseases. What are weeds, guys? Weeds मतलब unwanted plants. Unwanted plants, जो plants तुम्हें नहीं चाहिए. Some plants like चौलाई, बथुआ, they grow with their main crops. उससे क्या होगा कि they compete with water, nutrients, sunlight, मिनरल्स, वो हमारे मेन क्रॉप्स के को कमी कर देंगे, वाटर की, न्यूट्रिएंट्स की, मिनरल्स की. तो उससे हमें अपने मेन क्रॉप्स को बचाना है. टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर मेन क्रॉप्स फ्रॉम वीड्स. व्हाट आर द मेथड्स टू प्रोटेक्ट द क्रॉप फ्रॉम वीड्स? फर्स्ट इज मैनुअल मेथड. मैनुअल मीन्स you just pull the weeds, uproot the weeds, or by you cut the weeds near the ground by some khurpi or whatever like that. But in this method टाइम बहुत कंज्यूम होता है, वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम बहुत होता है. तो फॉर दिस वी गो टू द केमिकल मेथड. Chemical means you use pesticides. Pesticides means कि you spray the chemicals on the main crops which is not harmful for the main crops but they destroy the weeds. But when you spray the weedicides, you should be very careful for this. You should cover your face with mask as they are chemical. It may be harm to us. So when we use pesticides, we should be very careful for using this. And then pests. What are pests? Pests are birds, rats, insects. They are called pests. For insects you use insecticides. For rats वगैरह rodenticides. For fungi you should use fungicide. These are some examples of pesticides. Malathion, BHC, they are the examples of pesticides. But it may be harm to us. So for this, we should move to biological method. What is biological method? Biological method means you introduce some specific type of insects. These insects consume our weeds, unwanted plants. They consume our weeds so that our main crops are free from weeds. This is a very good method to remove our weeds. Now, after that, for pests and disease, there are two methods. First is the same chemical method. You use pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, and the second one is biological method. Biological method is same. You use some kind of insects which consumes the weeds. In Australia, there is one insect which their farmers use to remove the weeds. And after you protect the crops, when your crops become mature, what happen? जब वो पक जाएंगी अच्छे से, तब आप क्या करोगे? उसको हार्वेस्ट करोगे. तो we should do harvesting followed by threshing and winnowing. Harvest you can do by manually, by sickle, and after by you use harvester or by combine. Combine is a 2-in-1 machine in which you can harvest and threshing both. When you harvest your crops, अब आपने इतनी सारी पूरी मेहनत कर ली, पूरा सॉइल तैयार करके धीरे धीरे आपने पूरा क्रॉप जब आपका मैच्योर हो गया, तैयार हो गया, द मेन थिंग इज दैट यू शुड स्टोर योर क्रॉप्स वेरी केयरफुली. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, सारी पूरी मेहनत आपकी बेकार हो जाएगी. तो हमें टू स्टोर माई क्रॉप्स वी यूज जूट बैग्स, metallic bins or silos. What is silos? Silos is a big cylindrical structure which is specially designed to store the grains. But before storing, you should remember one thing. You should do sun dry before the storage so that our extra moisture should be removed. As moisture is increase the growth of microbes. So we should remove the extra moisture. It's very important thing. Before storing anything, you should remove the extra moisture. आप तो घरों में भी देखते हो, your mother used to keep things drying on the sunlight. Why? To remove the extra moisture. Because extra moisture होगा तो उसमें कीड़े लग जाएंगे, इंसेक्ट्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स लग जाएंगे, पेस्ट्स लग जाएंगे, तो वो हमारे क्रॉप्स को खराब कर देंगे, तो हमारी सारी मेहनत हमारी बेकार हो जाएगी. एंड व्हेन यू कीप आवर ग्रेन्स इन द बिन्स, इन द मेटालिक बिन्स और इन द सिलॉस, वी शुड यूज सम ड्राई नीम लीव्स. ड्राई नीम लीव्स always keep our pests away. So now from the preparation of soil till our storage, our chapter is now going to finish. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget press bell button so that you get the notification of my new videos. Goodbye friends.